Do you guys think the Steam Deck 2 and future handheld gaming products will have removable batteries like the one on the PSP? The EU just passed a new battery regulation last week, and this law will be forced in 2027. And here are the official words from the EU regulation. Portable batteries incorporated in appliance shall be readily removable and replaceable by the end user or by independent operators during the lifetime of the appliance. If the batteries have a shorter lifetime than the appliance, or at least at the end of the lifetime of the appliance. We all know that EU have successfully forced Apple to get rid of their lightning ports from the iPhone. So what do you think about this new battery regulation? Do you think the Steam Deck 2 will have a removable battery? Some people are very positive with this, and they think all the future handheld gaming devices will have removable batteries. The battery life on the Steam Deck, especially on the ROG Ally, are not quite good. Spare batteries could be one of the best solutions to fix this problem, but I just seriously doubt that we will go back to the old style, swappable batteries. The EU never said it has to be quick replaceable like the classic Nokia cell phone. It only states the battery should be easily replaced without affecting the performance and function of the device. So that means the Steam Deck or the other handheld can just alter the battery design slightly and make the battery easier to access compared to the current situation. I believe the Steam Deck will have the same battery we have right now, but it will be a little bit easier for us to replace them. Maybe on the Steam Deck 2 we just have to take off one screw to snap in a new battery. This regulation will definitely making replacing battery easier on the handhelds. But I don't think the classic removable battery will come back to us anymore. There are three main reasons that we are not going back to the swappable classic battery. First, the removable batteries require extra case and protections. This will add extra cost to the manufacturer. Also, it will make the product thicker and heavier. I just don't think the Steam Deck or other Windows handheld can go even bigger and heavier than what we have right now. Second, some complain about lack of removable batteries, but the truth is most of consumers are happy with current battery arrangement. Third, here is 2023. We have used to the modern battery design for decades in all our electronic devices. If major electronic devices like smartphones are not moving to removable battery solution, the cost to use removable batteries on Steam Deck 2 will be very high due to the limited battery supply. Let me know what you guys think about the future batteries on the Steam Deck and gaming handhelds.